Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Today I take you guys along as I tackle my dirty laundry room. I'm going to try to get this all cleaned up and organized. As you can see, it's a hot mess. It's kind of been serving as a catch-all for everything for our cleaning supplies and doing laundry, and it just have gotten away from us and very unorganized at this point. So I'm going to go in today and I'm going to get everything all cleaned up, and I'm going to take you guys along. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I showed you the counter in my laundry room, but this is how the inside of my cabinets are looking. Very unorganized, very messy. So we're going to start by clearing these cabinets out and getting everything out of the cabinet so we can start from scratch. Hey guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and clear off my counters. I'm going to take everything that's empty and toss that in the trash, and then I'm just going to clear everything out and move them to another room, so that way I'll have a blank canvas to work with, and then I can kind of develop some type of organizing system in place. Next, I'm gonna work my way into my cabinets. I'm just gonna clear everything out as well and just make sure everything, any empty bottles, toss those in the trash and just clear out the cabinet so I can start putting an organizing system. And I'm just gonna do the same thing for the second cabinet here as well. Okay guys, so here's my cabinets all clean and clear of clutter and debris, and I took my countertop spray and everything and wiped that down. So now I'm going to take my countertop spray, the Caldrea, and I'm just going to wipe down my little folding station as well. I'm just going to make sure there is no dust and no gunk or laundry soap or anything on there, and just wipe everything. After I get done wiping my countertops and cleaning out my cabinets, I'm going to take that same spray and I'm just going to give my appliances a good wipe down as well. And here's everything all cleaned off. Now I was at Kohl's and I found these cute little crown molding shelves, and I thought this would be a cute little decorative touch to add to the laundry room, just to kind of give it a little dimension, a little decorative touch. And it came with the screws and everything, real easy to install, and they were on sale for like $19.99, so I thought that was a pretty cool deal. So I'm just going to have my husband here go ahead and install those shelves right underneath the cabinet, so I can be able to put some little knickknacks and things and whatnot there on the shelves. Okay you guys, so here is the finished product. Here's the shelves all installed, and I think they turned out super cute. So now my husband's just going to go ahead and patch up all the holes that are there on the wall, and then I'm just going to take some paint and cover up the patch holes. Okay guys, so now that all the holes and everything are patched up and painted, I'm just going to go ahead and add this cute little to-do list board that I found at Kohl's. I thought this would be a cute little addition to my decor, as well as serves as a kind of a list for upcoming chores for the kiddos, and putting reminders on the board of what we need to do for that day. So moving on, I wanted to incorporate a laundry sorter inside of my laundry room. And I know my laundry room is very small, very narrow, so this can't stay in there permanently. I was hoping that it would be able to fit on alongside of my washer and dryer, but it's actually too large to fit in that little space. So I'm still working on trying to find something that's slender and smaller to fit into that space. But anyhow, so I'm still going to end up using it and keeping it. I'm just going to have to store it in my room or something like that, and then bring it out when it's time to do laundry. But I thought this was a really cute little sorter. It was it is a Better Homes and Garden brand. I got it from Walmart, and it has like 3 little dividers and everything on there. And the bags are removable, so you can remove the bags and everything, so that you can take the load to the washer, dump it, and then unload the clothes as well. So I thought this would be a cute little idea, or a functional idea, to add to the laundry room to make it a little bit easier when loading and unloading the washer. Or organizing my cabinets. I like to store in these cabinets all of my bulk and extra toilet paper and paper towel, as well as all of some of my cleaning products as well. So I'm going to use for this first cabinet, just going to store all of my excess paper towel and all of my excess toilet paper. That way, if we need more, this is where it'll be hidden away, not taking up space somewhere else. Next, I found these cute little baskets lying around my house, so I'm going to use that to house all of my Clorox bleach wipes or cleaning wipes, and I'm just going to store those in there like so. Then I'm gonna take another one of those little baskets, and I'm just gonna use that to house all of my hydrogen peroxide as well as my alcohol, and then I'm gonna place that on the top shelf. And this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. So now I'm gonna move on to my second cabinet. And here I'm just gonna house all of my multi-purpose cleaners and dish soaps and hand soaps. I did find these cute little refrigerator organizers at Walmart, but I'm gonna end up using them to store all of some of my cleaning products as well as my multi-purpose cleaners. So I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna start by putting all of my dish soaps in there like so. I love the fact that these containers are clear, and then you can see right through them, so you can see what you need and grab what you need without having to look and search for things. And then in the next container, I'm just gonna store all of my hand soaps, my Mrs. Meyer's and my Dow hand soap, and I'm just gonna place it in the cabinet like so. Now I did only get 3 of these containers, so the last container I'm going to use to store all of my multi-purpose cleaners as well as my window cleaner and my wood cleaners. Now I'll probably go back later and add some labels, but right now I like that you can see through it and it's clear, and I like that it has easy access for everyone. Now I didn't have, like I said, I only bought 3 of the clear containers, so I had another white bin that I had lying around the house, and I'm just going to use that to house all of my air fresheners as well as some bulk Fabuloso that I have. Now next I have these, for my second shelf, I have these cute little baskets that I had lying around the house, and I'm just going to use that to store like my plug-ins and my some extra Clorox bleach wipes that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use that and place that in the basket like so, and place that on the second shelf. Now I do have 2 of these baskets, so in the second basket I'm going to store all of my dryer balls and all of my magic erasers as well as some Lysol sponges and things of that nature. And this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. Then on my top shelf at the top, I'm just going to use that to house my first aid kit and my medicine box, so that it's out of the reach of the children. Everything is kind of tucked away. And then I'm also going to store some extra dryer sheets and laundry detergent. And this is what my cabinet is looking like so far, you guys, and I'm liking the way that it turned out. Everything is all clean and organized, and like I said, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get me buy some labels so I can label everything, but so far everything is looking good and clean and organized. So the first thing that I found was this cute little milk jar that I found at Kohl's, and I thought it was so cute, so I'm going to use that to kind of house my lint, or use it as a lint trap. I found this cute little Bless Our Home sign. I just love this sign. I love the black and white letter and the details on it, and I thought it would add a cute touch to my laundry room. I also found this cute little black vase. It's kind of like a Hearth and Hand vase, but it's not. It's by a different brand, but I thought this would be super cute in here, and that it'll fit nice in my laundry room to add some greenery to the space. I picked up this beautiful little sign. It has this cute little black and white lettering on there, and it says, "When you love what you have, then you have everything you need." I thought that was a really cute reminder to always be thankful for the things that you do have in life. Add a pop of color. I'm just going to add these faux peonies that I had lying around the house into my black vase. I think it'll add a nice elegant touch to the laundry room. So this is what it's looking like so far, you guys, and this is how I decorated my shelves so far. I'm loving the way it's looking. I know I have that linen spray there, but I think I'm gonna end up moving that off of there and adding a scented candle. Guys, to stick with the black and white decor theme going on in here, I'm going to add this nice mahogany teak wood candle from Bath & Body Works. It is the White Barn edition. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like a man's cologne, and I absolutely love the smell of this. And I'm just going to take that scented candle and add that to my Bless Our Home, next to our Bless Our Home sign. And I'm loving the way everything is decorated so far. It's just simple, elegant, and it just kind of gives a bright, it just brightens up the room and adds a nice decorative touch to the space. Next, you guys, I have these cute decorative jars that I purchased from, I got this particular jar from Walmart, and I just have it labeled with soap. I was using it before, but I just kind of cleaned it out and everything. I'm just gonna add my Gang Flings laundry detergent in there, just so it'd be kind of a bit of a decorative jar, and it kind of adds a nice, it serves as a decor piece for the room as well as storage for my laundry pods. And I'm just gonna fill those up right here. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling up the rest of my laundry items. I'm gonna add my Snuggle scent boosters. I love these little things. They smell absolutely amazing, and I use these sometimes in place of fabric softener, and it works wonders. So I'm gonna add this in my cute little decorative jar here. Then I also picked up these little jars here that I bought from Walmart as well, and these actually came with a little chalk in there as well in the label already, and I'm just going to use this to store my bleach and my liquid fabric softener. Now, since I'm using the laundry pods and I have the Scent Boost, I like to store my bleach and my liquid fabric softener in the cabinet as well. So that way it's kind of tucked away and it's not too cluttered on the counters. This is how everything is looking so far. And here's a final look of how I decorated my shelves and how I have all of my laundry items set on the counter. It's another picture of my Laundry & Co. sign. I got this sign from Kirkland's a long time ago, and I absolutely love it. And then on this wall I also have a little caddy to house my iron and my ironing board, and I have it pinned up there against the wall so it's out of the way. I did go ahead and add this little basket that I had before. I had this in my laundry room before, and I used that to house my lint holder as well as my dryer sheets jar, and then I have some shout out in the back. So everything is kind of corralled in one little decorative basket. And this is what the final look is looking like, you guys, so far. I'm loving the pops of color. I'm loving how everything is clean and organized and in place. And well, I already had this little hanger caddy here before, and what I did was I cleared out all the broken hangers and everything and added these cute little decorative gray hangers up there to add an additional pop of color. And then it serves as a spot, so when we're taking the clothes out the dryer, things that need to be hung up, we can kind of hang them up there and place them there till we're ready to go and move them to the closet. And again, this is how everything is looking like so far, and I love just the clean lines and the elegant look of how everything is looking. I did want to change out my rug in my laundry room as well, so I found this area rug, or this little accent rug from Kirkland's. It was $24.99, and actually it had 30% off. So I had a gift card that I received from my sister for Mother's Day, so I went ahead and used that to kind of purchase this rug. And I absolutely love the black and white buffalo check or plaid print that it has on there, and I love the way it goes with the rest of my decor. So also from Kirkland's, I picked up this beautiful magnolia wreath that was $16.99, and I love the way it was looking, and I love the way it adds kind of an elegant pop of greenery to my space, as well as it keeps with the kind of like the farmhouse theme in here, and I absolutely love the way it looks. So this is what my laundry room is looking like so far, you guys. I love the black and white and how clean everything looks, and then how functional the decor pieces are. So I love the way everything has turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not part of the decorating family, please consider hitting that red subscribe button, and make sure you turn your notification bell on, so that just alerts you every time I upload a new video. And to all my beautiful subscribers, I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.